Come test drive the 2019 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.